feeling yourself going deeper and deeper down into a state of relaxation. 85,000 times deeper than you've been before. With every sound you hear, with every noise you feel, with every tap you feel, you're going deeper and deeper in a state of relaxation. Feeling yourself go farther than in before in that state of relaxation. You know how wonderful it feels, how fantastic it feels, and how wonderful it is to be there. Does that feel good to you? Of course it does. That's great. Okay. What you'll find is as you're in this state, you will be able to recall anything you need to whenever you need to. Does that sound like a wonderful thing to do? Yes, it does. Good. And when you need it, when you're working with people, or at any time when you're even not working with people, but you feel that you might need it, or don't even know you need it, that you might come out as an informational process of what you need. Great. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Now, every time you need that, it's going to happen. Does that sound good? Is that something that will work with you? Excellent. Because as you need it, it will come forward. At the count of 3, I'm going to bring you back out to feeling fantastic, wonderful, and relaxed in the real world. 1, 2, feeling yourself coming more in. Take a sit up. 2, 3, go ahead and take a deep breath, stretch, and how do you feel?